Hello, hello, hello. Another day, another vlog of property. I'm here at Santa Clara Bypass, Santa Maria, Bulacan, for sale by the owner. Corner lot, 673 square meter ang lot area. Currently tenanted ng Goldilocks at ng mini grocery of Korean grocery with mga booth ng mga karinderya. Mag-expire po yung contract ng mga yan is hanggang April of this year 2026. Kung sino man makakabili, bahala na po kayo kung i-continuous nyo po. Corner lot po yan. Ang kahilera po niyan is office ng PhilHealth ng Santa Maria, Bulacan. Opposite naman is terminal ng bus going Manila, terminal ng P2P going Quezon City, tapat po ng Walter Mart, Santa Clara, Santa Maria, Bulacan. Facing south, yan po, ayan. Ayan po yung shape ng lote. Nandyan po yung picture ng shape ng lote. Ayan po, Korean groceries ang umuupa dyan. Dati pong gasoline na station yan. Gasoline station. Non-operational na. Ayan po, makikita naman yan. Tapat po ng Walter Mart, Santa Maria. Makipag-ugnayan po sa akin, 0933-813-7110. Bye from now!